Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if you are new here, subscribe so that you get our videos when we upload them. Our topic of today is we are going to learn 10 names of birds in Dinka language. So I've already translated them into English so that our non-Dinka speakers can get our message. So the first one is aprit, 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 apa, ra, it. Aprit, aprit mean quail, quail, quail. That bird called quail is called aprit in Dinka language. Agumut, 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 agumut is called owl, owl, owl in English. So it's called a gumut. When you hear someone saying in a gumut, it means that you are old. So if it say in a gumut majongdit, it means that you have a big eye. So someone who have big eye, we call him or her a gumut majongdit. It's obvious. So don't say that word because it's not a good word. So when you tell someone is a gumot, that means that person is a magician. Magician, yeah. So he's an insult. Anyway, we continue. Arum joke, arum joke, arum joke, arum joke. It's not arum joke. It's called arum joke. That's how we call it. Arum joke mean white, black, ibis. White, black, ibis. White, black, ibis is called arum joke. Arum joke. Then number 4, which is this bird is common in our area, especially in a will. So it's very common there. During rainy season, when you cultivate, they come and in your gardens. Sometimes they even come at home. So they always look for something to eat at home. So and in the garden, it's called awage, 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 awage. And in English word, it's called francolin, 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 francolin is awage, awage, aware, aware, aware. Aware mean green pigeon, green pigeon, green pigeon. This bird also, there are very many in South Sudan, especially in Awil. They are very common there. So they eat a tree called, we call it, they eat larch, they eat ngap, they eat shum. They also eat, there's this tree, why am I forgetting the name of it? Yeah, they eat so many fruits. They eat so many fruits. So yeah, they also eat quail. This aware. When yeah, you can get them there in that tree called quail. So the quail change lock pagan. Aware and mute rip. Aware and mute rip. So eka cham red. So they are also very common there. So when you go to South Sudan, you will get them. Aware, aware is a green pigeon. Another common bird in a will and in South Sudan is called Ait Maral. Ait Maral is the same name. Ait Maral is a long name. Ait Maral. Ait Maral means crested crane. Crested crane. Crested crane is Ait Maral. Ait Maral. When you hear someone saying Ait Maral in a will, it means crested crane in English. Bake, 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 bake means saddle, bill stock. Saddle, bill stock. Saddle, bill stock in Dinka is called bake. Bake, that is number 7. Number 8, and this is the one of the bird that we keep at home, especially most South Sudanese, they keep it at home. Everyone, I think, they keep it at home. So when the visitor come, you slaughter one, and and you make it a very nice soup to the visitor. So it's called ajit. Ajit. Ajit is hen, hen. Ajit, ajit. Yeah, we keep this bird at home. Ajit. So these are the bird like a preed, a gumut, a rumjok, a wage, a wait marian. They are wild birds, but they stay close to the people. So sometimes they are found near where the people are living. And number 9 is called whale. Whale, whale. We call it whale because welaguan chinombat, welaguan chinombat, well chinombat. So welaguan, so that's how we call it. It's a common bird in our area. So I killed so many of them when I was there, when I was a small boy. So I like eating them. Whale, whale is called Guinea Falls, Guinea Falls, Guinea Falls, Guinea Falls. It's called whale, Guinea Falls, Guinea Falls. Another common birds, and this bird is a white bird. It has a color of white colors. Is mostly when you have cattle or cows or maybe others animal. So you always find this bird working with the animal because it used to eat some insect there that are found in the animal. Yeah, it's called auken. 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 We call it auken, or you call it ken or ariaken. It's called cattle egret. Cattle egret or cow crane. Cow crane or cattle egret. It's called auken. Auken. So abajal bandukin, I will feed it. Quick recap. And that will be the end. We will bring other names soon. Aprit, number 1 aprit, number 2 agumut, number 3 arumjok, number 4 awage, number 5 aware, number 6 await marial, number 7 bake, number 8 ajit, number 9 well, number 10 auken. Yeah, so here are the translation in English. So this is the end of our short lesson today. So I have also put them in short videos so that if you like short video, you can also check them. Yeah, and if you love this, please tell me so that I can also make a research to look for other name of birds and bring them, because I used to know the name of birds in Dinka, but I don't know the names in English. So when I get them, I have to search. If I did not get the name in English, or sometimes I know the name in English and in Dinka is also very hard. So some of the birds in our country, they don't have names because they are wild birds, and they are still not discovered. There are so many birds. Yeah, but in Dinka we know most of their names. Yeah, this is the end of our topic. What you need to do, subscribe and tell me if this video is good. If it is helpful for you, I can also be doing it, because I will be writing it in the paper, and then I make a record. The other thing we will do in computer, we will also do it, so I'm not forgetting it. But that one is for weekend. So then during the day this week, from Monday to Friday, so we can find something to make us busy. Yeah, subscribe and share our video so that many people can get it. Thank you for watching our video, and this is the end of our video. God bless you. Bye.